Number 1. First tutorial. Need yarn, scissor, 4mm hook, and needle. I'm be double stranding, so just make a slip knot. And then chain 22. Count 11 stitch. In the 11th stitch, make a slip knot. Then just continue doing slip knot until the last chain. Then chain 9. In the second stitch, make a slip knot and then a single crochet and then a half double crochet and then 2 double crochet . After that, 1 half double crochet, a single crochet, and a slip knot, a slip stitch, sorry. Then chain 1, rotate, and just repeat the process. Then in the center, make a slip stitch. And then just repeat the process. Actually, this is very easy, and I'm sorry if it's a little confusing. It's my first tutorial and I'm really diving through it, so bear with me. But this it's been I've been seeing this leaf, and this is my take. I know there's a lot of tutorial out there, and this is just my take in creating the crochet sprout. Yes, and I hope it's fun or something like that. Seriously, this is just me rambling for some reason. So yes, and we're almost finished here of me just making the other leaf, doing the slip stitch. And now just finishing it off and cutting the ends, using the darning needle to just hide all the ends, and after that we're done. So if you like this, or if you learned something, or this is a very simple basic crochet project, you can use scrap yarn or just small amount of yarn is pretty much it. So thank you for watching, and yeah, subscribe, and also leave a comment of any tutorial you want me to do. I'm trying to do a lot of dresses and tops to be a tutorial, so look out for that. And that's it. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.